Are you the person that wants to live in Japan but don't really know what to expect when it comes to housing? Then this video is definitely something for you, because in this video I will show you my apartment in Chikuma City. So we are starting off outside, because outside I have a storage room which is included with the house that I wanted to show you guys, and then we'll just get to the front door and I will show you the inside. I live on the ground floor of a small apartment complex. Everything is fairly new and the house has some quirky aspects. One of them is the doorbell with a camera. You can see who wants to enter the house, and it has a built-in voice changer, which is mecha sugoi. So after you have entered the house, of course you have taken your shoes off in the genkan and you place it in the closet that is meant to fit your shoes, with a secret drawer with something inside that I find very cool. So when you have put in your shoes away, it is time to investigate the rest of the house. On the right side of the house we find the bathroom. The bathroom is really spacious and it has a bath, which is a big plus for me because I really like going into bath. In the bathroom you can find a sink and a small cabinet. You can also find the washing machine, which is a bit different from a Dutch washing machine. The bath is fairly small, but I fit in, so it's super comfortable and to relax in after a day of work. Now that we have finished seeing the bathroom, it is time to show you guys the toilet. And toilets in Japan are a little bit strange. First of all, it has warm seating, it has a bidet, and it's super technological, it's super cool actually. And number 3, when you flush, the drain will automatically go on not to spill water. So that's pretty cool. Now that we have seen that, let's get on with the living room slash bedroom slash kitchen. So yeah, let's get on. We are now entering the chamber where I spent most of my time, whether that is sleeping, editing or just chilling. On the right side is the kitchen. The kitchen is actually fairly big. It's big enough for me alone to cook meals for myself. If you would have people over, it's actually pretty hard to make a lot of stuff, but if you are on your own, it's enough. Well, one of the biggest struggles when living here is actually the way that they sort their garbage, and that has still been a struggle. But yeah, it's fine. I have a schedule and everything. When you leave the kitchen, on the left side there is a big closet where I have my clothes, my suitcase and some other stuff that just need to be stored. So yeah, it's fairly big, a lot of things fit in, and it's just a big closet so that everything is neat and stored, I guess. So let's check out the living room. The living room is by far the biggest room of the house. It is also my bedroom. So I have 2 futons because one is a little bit thin and 2 is just right for my back. But I have 2 chairs and a stool. Now one thing that you have to keep in mind when getting into your house is that you have some money for furniture, because these houses come completely empty and there's nothing. So also curtain isn't there, and yes, it's just something that you have to keep in mind, that you have to buy some stuff when coming here. And last but not least, the balcony. It can get really hot here, and I often take one of the chairs and sit outside to enjoy the fresh air. Final thoughts about the apartment. It isn't big by any means, but it has everything I can ask for. Most of the time I'm away, so I don't spend that much time at home, but it's certainly a nice place to stay at. Although it can definitely still use a personal touch. If you are coming to Japan, keep in mind that everyone's situation differs, but I think that this will give you a good impression of a Japanese apartment. This is already the end of the video. I want to thank you so much for watching. If you like this kind of content, please consider clicking the subscribe button and also the like button, because it really helps the channel out greatly, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. This was Danny Japan. Out!